All right, guys, welcome. Three things we're talking about today. First off, yesterday, first trading day of the month, last day of RSP season, began on such a strong note. So the S&P was up 2.4%, the Dow Jones was up 1.9%, NASDAQ was up 3%. Remember, last week, we lost about 5 on the NASDAQ, about 2 to 3, almost 4 in the other indices. So we're getting about 2/3 of that back. All 11 S&P 500 sectors finished in the green. Best day on the S&P 500 since June. Dow NASDAQ, best day since November. So energy, financials, they were all doing great. Apple was up 5, Tesla was up 6, 10-year yield came down a little bit. Good day overall yesterday. Now let's take a look at the GDP numbers. Canada released a flash this morning. So a flash is kind of an indication. Came out at 0.5% for GDP growth in the month of January. So the economy expanded 0.1% in December, so that's not significant. But the mining and energy industries, they led the way. They were up 2.9%. Mind you, retail, accommodation, food industries, they were contracting again. For 2020 as a whole, for the entire year, the economy shrank 5.4%. We had expanded 1.9% in 2019. Remember, GDP is total spending by government, businesses, and individuals like you and I. And it's also measures the gross domestic product. So the total dollars spent. So we always want to be growing that. The target is kind of 2 to 3%. Good economies are growing it faster than that. We shrank 5.4. Obviously, it's a pandemic. So, you take that with a grain of salt. But there are some other economies throughout the world that shrank less than 5.4%. A little bit of a disappointing number, I would say, definitely. Let's take a look at some stocks making headlines. So a couple here I'll mention. First off, Zoom. So Zoom Video, they reported quarterly profit $1.22 per share. That was way better than the 79 cents expected. Revenue top forecast, and they also increased their guidance in anticipation that millions will continue to use the service, which is Zoom. You're probably sick of it, but regardless, they're profiting from it. Shares are up 7% pre-market trading. And then let's take a look at Score Media and Gaming. This is the company where you check your sports scores on your phone. Those of you that are kind of monitoring this, it's up 7% in pre-market trading. They've had a really good stretch here. They raised a bunch of capital, and the underwriters fully exercised the over-allotment option. So that's an IPO of $186 billion. They are hoping to get into gaming, which would obviously be a ton of revenue for the company. All right, let's take a look at those pre-market numbers here before I let you go. If you take a look at the dollar, it's down 16 basis points, trading at 78.91. The Dow futures down 61 points, ho-hum, 31,450 points. Really good day yesterday. If we take a look at gold, gold is up $2, trading at 17.26, and oil is up 2 cents, trading at $60.66.